Hello guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to fix Xbox Game Bar audio problem. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go to your search bar and type registry editor. Once you're in, you should go to this top one, Control A and then Control A again, and then Control V. Go to the description to get the command. Control V to paste, hit enter. And once you're here, you should see these, and you're gonna find echo cancellation. Now click on it. Once you're here, you should see the value data as 1. You're gonna set it to 0 and set base to hexadecimal. Once you're done, click OK, go to your window icon, click restart. And this should work for you guys. And yeah, thanks.